Hello students. In today's class, we are going to learn a new topic which is so easy even called sets. S-E-T-S sets. So what is meant by a set? Where we will come across the word set in our day-to-day life. For example, we will say a guy who matches our wavelength or who matches the quality which we prefer, we will say you belong to our set or you belong to our gang, right? The same way, the set is a collection of objects which has the same quality, right? So mathematically here we are going to define a set as a set is defined as a collection of well-defined objects. So here the word well-defined is very important. So a set is defined as a collection of well-defined objects. So any collection of objects won't become a set. It should be well-defined. What is the meaning of well-defined? Let us see few examples. For example, if I say collection of 5 beautiful flowers. So which 5 beautiful flowers will come under this collection? According to me, the taste, the beautiful criteria will vary from the other. For example, for me, rose looks beautiful. For someone, lotus may be beautiful. So here, the collection of 5 beautiful flowers, the statement is not well defined because the priority or the criteria for the beautiful flower may vary from a person to person. So this will not comprise a set. If I say collection of vowels in English alphabet, then this collection will be obviously A, E, I, O, U for whomever the person who creates the set, right? So this is a example of a set. Here the statement is well defined. Well defined. If I state this to anyone, the set, the collection will be A, E, I, O, U only, right? So this is called well defined. A set is defined as a collection of well defined objects. So it is not only a collection of objects, but it should be well defined. If it is not well defined, then it won't become a set, right? Now let us see how the objects of the set are called. So how we can denotion of a set. So a set is always denoted by capital letters like A, X, Y, Z, etc. So the set is always denoted by using capital letters, and the objects of the set are called as elements. The objects of set are called as elements. If you take the above example, here A is an element of the set, E is an element of the set, I is another element of the set, and the elements of the set should be distinct and distinguishable. What is meant by distinct? Distinct means each element should be different from one another, or else none of the objects are repeated. It is not repeated. So each element of the object should be distinct. And by the word distinguishable, we mean that if I state any element of an object, then we can easily identify that element belong to that particular set only. So it has its own property. So elements of a set are distinct and distinguishable. Next, we are going to see another denotation called belongs to. And we know Max is full of symbols. Mathematicians are not interested in writing in words, statement and statement, sentences and sentences, like, right? So they love denoting each and every statement in a precise manner by using many symbols. So belongs to is denoted by this symbol, and does not belongs to is denoted by this symbol. So, for example, if we take the previous one, I say I'm going to denote this set by capital A. A is equals to A, E, I, O, U. And each set is denoted within the flower braces, and each element inside the set is separated by commas. And if I say A belongs to the set, which means A is inside the set. And I can say B does not belongs to the set A, which means B is not in the set A. Hope you understood till this. I wish to recall it. What is meant by a set? A set is defined as a collection of well-defined objects. So it should be well-defined. Any collection of objects won't form a set. A set, the elements in a set should have a same quality or same property. We will denote a set by using capital letters, and the objects inside the set are called as elements. The elements are always distinct and distinguishable. By the word distinct, we mean that none of the elements of the set are repeated. Every element of the set is distinct, and by the word distinguishable, we mean if I state any element of an object, we can easily identify to which set it belongs to, which means every set has its own properties. And we will denote belongs to by using this symbol, and does not belongs to by this symbol.